How to fix Smart View missing in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can see the option Smart View. Now press and hold on it, and here you can enable your Smart View settings. If you can't see the Smart View here, then simply open settings and then click on connected devices. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Smart View. Now here you can click on continue, but unfortunately here you cannot see the Smart View here, then simply go back. Now scroll down and click on apps and then click on sort and filter icon and then turn on show system apps button. After that, go back and search here Smart View. Now click on it and then click on permissions. Now give all the permissions. After giving all the permissions, then go back and force to appear Smart View and then click on OK. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.